Hello guys, welcome back to my channel vfxexpert. So guys, in this today's class we are going to see how to install main 2 add-on inside Blender. First Blender Kit and second one Sketchfab plugins for Blender. So these are main 2 free add-ons which you can direct access inside Blender. And also we will see how to use these 2 plugins inside Blender. So with the help of these 2 add-ons you can direct access 3D models, HDRI images and many things inside Blender. So let's start the class here. Now we are inside Blender. So first I'm going to see how we can install Blender Kit add-on inside Blender. So now just open our browser here. Now we are inside this browser here and simply just we have to search Blender add-on kit. Just you have to type it here. Now we have to press enter. Then simply you have to click here. So now inside this you will get this Blender add-on kit here. So simply just we have to click it here. This is free. Now just we have to click here and just we have to download here first. Then we will install this Blender Kit inside Blender. Now just we have to download here. So here I have already downloaded. Now just we are going to see how we can install this Blender Kit inside Blender and how we can use this kit inside Blender. So now again come inside Blender. So now we are inside Blender. So for delete all the default items, simply press A and just delete all these things here. So now first how we can install this Blender Kit. Actually there are 2 methods. First simply just you can click on this edit, then go to this preferences and just go to this add-on. Then we have to click here and just we have to select this install from disk. So just we have to click here. Then you have to select your required plugins which you have downloaded. So this is our actually add-on folder. Just we have to open this one. So this is our Blender Kit which just I have downloaded. So simply just we have to select and just we have to click on install from disk. So this will install this Blender Kit inside Blender. Now just cancel this one here and second option simply just you can open your folder. So now this is our actually Blender Kit which just I have downloaded from Blender websites here. So simply just you can drag and drop here and just you have to click on this one. So you will get this window here and simply you have to click on OK. So now after some time if you will see just I am getting these options here. Even again if you will click on this edit and go to the preferences, so inside this add-ons you will get this Blender Kit here. So this will add on here also. Now then after this simply just you can search your required model and just you can use inside Blender. So now suppose if you want to search it here, maybe suppose computer table you can type. Now press enter. So this will find your, so you can see so many chairs just I am getting here, but here if you will see also that I am getting some locked object, means we can't access these objects inside Blender because these are actually locked objects. So before finding your object, just simply first we have to click it here and just we have to click on only this free first. So just we have to click it here. So now if you will search, so you will get only downloadable items here. So just we have to suppose if you want to use this one here, then simply just we have to click here. So this will add inside this Blender here. So just you can see this one. Now just you can a little bit zoom. Then after just see if you want you can hide this one if you are not getting maybe any preview here. So just you can hide or unhide these things here. So now just I am going to check these things here, enable the settings here or materials here. So you will get with these settings here. So now just you can see. So like this just you can direct access models, HDRI, multiple things inside Blender using this Blender Kit. Now second thing just I am going to see how we can install Sketchfab plugins for Blender. So again press A and just delete all these things here. Simply just we have to delete. Now first come inside again, open this, just open the browser here. So now again we are inside this Sketchfab website. So just you can see simply just go to this website and just you can find your models or you can search. So remember this one, just we have to check these things here. Now here I have checked the downloadable. Now if you want to you can search maybe model, again maybe table or chair. So remember this one here, just you have to check the downloadable. So this is again important things here. So any models just you can download here. So suppose just I want to download maybe these things here. So just we have to click it here. Now first this will load this model here. Now just you can see these things here. Then after this bottom side, if you will go here and just you will get this download options here, then simply you have to click it here. So you will get all these actually formats here. So just you have to download this gltf file, and then after this you can import this file inside Blender. So this is actually a little bit long method, because first you have to download this model from this Sketchfab website, then after this you have to import inside Blender. So now just I'm going to see how we can direct access this Sketchfab website inside Blender. So for this, again, just we have to search Sketchfab plugins for Blender. So Sketchfab Blender add-ons here. So you will get this website. Even you can direct go to this Sketchfab website. So you will also get plugins. So just even you can direct click it here. So you will also get plugins for Blender. Now just click it here. So this again Sketchfab websites, you can see. So bottom side you will get this plugins here. So again this will redirect in this GitHub website. So just you can see, and this is actually current version here. So just you can see latest one, and just you have to download here. Again this is free. Then after this you have to download. Then now just I am going to see how we can install this one also inside Blender. Now again come inside Blender. So now again we are inside Blender. Or simply just select this one and just drag and drop here, and just have to click on OK. So again just you can go to this edit and just preferences. So for a little bit just we have to check Sketchfab plugin. So just you can see this one add-on. So just I am getting these things here, and this is again activated here. So if you want to remove, then you can click on this uninstall here. Now just cancel this one here. Then here you will get this add-on plugins here. So simply go to this, then you have to click it here. So you will get this Sketchfab options here. So just you can see this one here. Just simply after installing this plugins, only you will get these options here, Sketchfab here. Now just we have to click here. So you will get all these things here. So here what we have to do. So now first we have to activate this plugin. So if we'll click on this activate, so this will actually ask for your email address and for password. So this is mainly, first you have to create a account inside Sketchfab website. Again come inside this Sketchfab. So what we have to do, first we have to create a account inside this Sketchfab website. So remember this one. This is again important things here. So here if you will see, just go to this Sketchfab and just now press enter. So just you can see here just I have already logged in. So you will get your account. So you will get your email ID and password here. Then same thing, just you have to enter inside Blender. Then direct you can access these models inside Blender. Now again come inside Blender. So just I am going to log in it here inside Blender. So simply just I am going to log in it here. Now simply just you have to click on this login here. So now here login successful here. Now after this just you can access your model. So there are actually two options. First, import from URL that you can check, and direct just you can paste your URLs from Sketchfab websites. So now suppose if you want to maybe download, just again explore, maybe just type it here, maybe any model just you can type. So remember this one, first we have to check this is downloadable or not. So here just I am getting this download 3D model. Then simply what you can do, just you can copy this URL, just copy and again come inside Blender and just you can paste it here. Then simply just you can paste here, then you can import model. So this is first option. Now second option, direct just you can search your model inside Blender. So just uncheck this one here. Now just I am going to search it here. So suppose just search, maybe just search this one. So again maybe just chair. So now just press enter and search filter, just we have to check. So here you will see multiple options here. So just all categories just you can see. So now here just I am finding this model here. Even if you can click here next, so you will get maybe next model here. So like this, you can go to this next or previous. Simply just we have to click here. Maybe suppose if you want to download this one, because this is actually just I am getting with textures or shaders here. So what we have to do before just importing this model, just first we have to go to this options here and render engine. Just we have to select this cycles, then device, GPU compute. Then after importing, if you want, you can also just switch into this EV. Now simply just we have to import this model. So this will import inside Blender with settings, all these things here. Now just I am importing here. So just you can see. So this is just importing your model direct inside Blender. So now here, if you will see, just I have imported this model with all these settings here, or with all these textures here. So now just you can see it here. So this is a little bit heavy. So now just you can see. So just I am getting all these things here. So like this, just you can also direct use these two add-ons inside Blender, and direct you can access your required model inside Blender. So guys, if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel. So thanks for watching.